It may be that the only way to gain clarity and focus is to exhaust yourself at the gym. Picture this. You walk into the gym tired, stressed with brain fog and confusion, knowing it's the only path to clarity. The problem is that stress builds up and it's weighing you down. You've tried meditating, yoga, and even bubble baths, but nothing works. So what's the solution? You hit the weights, you run that extra mile, and by the end, you're drenched in sweat, but feel alive. The exhaustion brings a sense of calm that nothing else can. Now you're relaxed, clear-minded, and ready for whatever comes next because you've put first things first. Want to know more? Like, subscribe, and visit muscleopolis.com.